Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the compound interest on $800,000 for 1 year and 6 months at 8% per annum compounded half yearly is how much dollar? Here we have given principal amount P is $800,000. Then rate of interest is 8% per annum, but it is compounded half yearly, so we can take it as 4%. This is for half year. Then we have to calculate for the time 1 year and 6 months. So 1 plus 6 by 12, that is into 2 means 3 years. This is half year. Then we can calculate amount by using the formula A into 1 plus R by 100. Here amount equals to P, principal amount, into 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the power T. So here $800,000 into 1 plus R is 4 divided by 100 to the power 3. So after calculating this, we get $899,891.2. So after that, we can calculate compound interest. Compound interest will be A minus P, which is 899,891.2 minus $800,000, which is $99,891.2. Hence, compound interest on $800,000 for 1 year and 6 months for 1 year and 6 months at the rate of 8% compounded half yearly is $99,891.2.